Want to take control of your financial future in 2025? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, I'm going to be sharing 12 of the best e-commerce ideas to launch that online business and help make you some money. First up are subscription boxes, which are the gifts that just keep on giving. These are curated boxes of goodies delivered right to your customer's doorstep. Now, the subscription box market is booming, with a current value of $10 billion and growing over 100% annually. So whether you want to have a box for beauty products, snacks, or even pet toys, there's something for every passion. Take a look at businesses like Dollar Shave Club, Purple Carrot, and Munch Pack, all offering boxes catered to different things. And with low startup costs and recurring revenue, subscription boxes are one of the best e-commerce ideas for success. Next, we have print-on-demand merchandise, the ultimate creative playground for entrepreneurs. Now, this is where you sell custom-designed products without having to hold any inventory. T-shirts, mugs, phone cases, you name it. Take Redbubble, for example. They have so many different products with unique designs printed on them. With print on demand, you can create unique products that people will love. And the best part, no need to worry about inventory or shipping. It's all handled for you, so you can focus on what you do best, creating awesome designs. At number 3, we have dropshipping, one of the e-commerce business ideas that's all about efficiency and low risk. This is where you'll sell products without even touching them. You can partner with a supplier who handles the inventory and shipping while you focus on marketing and customer service. Now, the global dropshipping market is valued at over $225 billion and constantly growing. So, if you're looking for a hands-off approach to e-commerce, dropshipping could be it. This next idea is something a little bit more futuristic. AR or VR is changing the way we interact with the world, from gaming and entertainment to education and healthcare. For example, remember Pokemon Go? The game popularized augmented reality following its launch in 2016, and with the AR and VR market growing rapidly, now's a better time than any to get involved. The next e-commerce idea is every tech lover's dream: smart home products. From smart thermostats and lighting systems to security cameras and voice assistants, the smart home market is booming. With a projected value of over $380 billion by 2028, there's never been a better time to help people turn their houses into smart homes. One example of a brand in this niche is Nest, whose main products are smart thermostats and security systems. But why are smart products one of the best ideas for an e-commerce business? Well, they offer convenience, security, and energy efficiency. And with more and more people embracing the connected lifestyle, the demand for these products will only continue to increase. So if you're tech savvy and passionate about innovation, then you should definitely consider this an idea for your e-commerce business. Aside from having a connected lifestyle, consumers are also becoming more and more health conscious, which is great news for the organic and natural products market. This sector has been seeing massive growth, with profit margins significantly higher than its non-organic counterparts. From organic food and skincare to eco-friendly cleaning products, there's a growing demand for products that are good for both people and the planet. A good example of businesses that are doing well in this niche is Thrive Market and True Earth. Both have become popular for their high quality and eco-friendly products. Now, let's talk about 3D printing, the technology that's turning imagination into reality. Now, with 3D printing, you can create unique, customized products on demand, like jewelry, figurines, phone cases, and even prosthetic limbs. The brand Sharpways is a great example of an e-commerce platform where designers can create and sell 3D printed productions. 3D printing allows you to bring your wildest ideas to life, and with the technology becoming more affordable and accessible, it's a great time to explore its potential and create a business that's truly one of a kind. Now, I want to talk about another health-related e-commerce business idea: health and wellness products. People are prioritizing their health and well-being like never before. And with the wellness industry showing no signs of slowing down, it's a great time to tap into this growing market and help people achieve their health goals. From supplements and fitness equipment to mindful apps and healthy snacks, there's a huge demand for products that help people live their best lives. Just check out how Hue and TukTake are addressing these demands with their products. With the rise of remote and hybrid work, here's another e-commerce idea that once again highlights maintaining a healthy lifestyle. With online fitness programs, you can offer flexibility and convenience, making them a great option for people of all fitness levels. Take Bodhi, for example. They've built a multi-million-dollar business within this niche and have become widely known for its popular fitness programs. With the market growing rapidly, even starting fitness influencers like you have room to excel in this business as well. In a world of mass production, personalized gifts and accessories can help you stand out. People crave unique, handcrafted items that express their individuality. Platforms like Etsy have made it easier than ever to connect with customers looking for something special. So if you're crafty and have a knack for creating personalized treasures, this could be your perfect niche. Now, if you're all about development and improvement, then this next e-commerce idea is for you. I'm talking about digital products and courses. Things like ebooks, online courses, and even stock photos are intangible products with high profit margins. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera have made it super easy to share your knowledge and expertise with the world. Last but not least, we have niche and specialized smartwatches, the perfect blend of fashion and function if you ask me. Think smartwatches designed for specific sports, health conditions, or even kids. A great example of this is Garmin, a brand that focuses on fitness enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers. Niche smartwatches offer a great way to stand out in a crowded market. By catering to a specific audience, you can create a product that truly meets their needs and makes their lives better. So, there you have it. 12 profitable e-commerce business ideas to ignite your entrepreneurial spirit. Remember, the key to success is to choose an idea you're passionate about. Do your research and take action. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start building your e-commerce empire now. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment below and share it with your friends.